Hey, good morning. This is Mudman, and just wanted to give you a shot of where we stayed at Pocahontas ATV Resort. We'll do a quick little walkthrough. Thought it was a very nice little deck out here. You can sit. Had a wonderful stay. Look how nice it is in here. Yep. We're on our way out. We got one spot there. This is a pull-out couch. That's where Mudman hung his hat right there. TV, ceiling fan. Very nice, very clean. Refrigerator, microwave, sink. It's one room. Another room. Floor is very nice, hardwood. Bathroom. Nice little bench. Get dressed. See, Mudman. Hey, hey, how y'all like my new shirt? Isn't that cool? This is a really nice cabin. All right, y'all come check them out. Pocahontas ATV Resort. Hey, there's Pop. That's my crew I hung out with. What's up, guys? How you doing? Yeah. Even got some nice scenery. And they have quite a few. Alright. Oh, there's that Pioneer 1000. That's just dust on it. That's all. Just dust. It'll fly off by the time I get back. Alright. It's your Mudman. Over and out. Pocahontas ATV Resort. Very nice.